Smoothies can be a delicious and convenient way to support your weight loss journey. But with so many ingredients to choose from, it can be tough to know which ones are the most effective. This comprehensive guide will explore the best smoothie ingredients for weight loss, backed by scientific evidence, and provide tips on how to combine them for optimal results. Why smoothies for weight loss? Smoothies offer several benefits for those looking to shed pounds. 1. Nutrient density. They can be packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. 2. Fiber-rich. Many smoothie ingredients are high in fiber, which promotes satiety, regulates digestion, and helps control cravings. 3. Portion control. Making your own smoothies allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, preventing overconsumption. 4. Convenience. Smoothies are quick and easy to prepare, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. 5. Versatility. The flavor combinations are endless, ensuring you'll never get bored. Key ingredients for weight loss smoothies. Here are some of the best smoothie ingredients for weight loss, categorized by their key benefits. 1. Fruits for flavor and fiber. 1. Berries. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, low in calories and high in antioxidants and fiber. 2. Apples. Rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that promotes fullness and aids digestion. 3. Bananas. A good source of potassium and resistant starch, which may improve insulin sensitivity and aid weight loss. 4. Avocado. Provides healthy fats and fiber, contributing to satiety and regulating blood sugar levels. 2. Vegetables for nutrients and low calories. 1. Spinach. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber with minimal calories. 2. Kale. A nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber. 3. Cucumber. High in water content, contributing to hydration and fullness. 4. Celery. Low in calories and contains fiber, which can aid digestion and promote satiety. 3. Protein sources for satiety and muscle building. 1. Greek yogurt. High in protein and calcium, promoting fullness and supporting bone health. 2. Protein powder. Whey, casein, plant-based, a convenient way to increase protein intake, aiding muscle building and satiety. 3. Chia seeds. An excellent source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to fullness and reducing inflammation. 4. Flax seeds. Rich in fiber and alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that may support weight loss. 4. Healthy fats for energy and absorption. 1. Avocado. As mentioned earlier, avocados provide healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. 2. Nut butters. Almond, peanut, cashew, offer protein, healthy fats, and fiber, contributing to satiety and sustained energy. 3. Coconut oil. Contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which may boost metabolism and promote fat burning. 5. Liquids for consistency and hydration. 1. Water. The most essential liquid for hydration and overall health. 2. Unsweetened almond milk. A low-calorie alternative to dairy milk, providing some calcium and vitamin E. 3. Coconut water. A natural source of electrolytes, aiding hydration and replenishing minerals lost through sweat. 4. Green tea. Contains antioxidants and may boost metabolism. Creating your weight loss smoothie. Now that you know the best ingredients, let's put them together. Here are some tips for creating a delicious and effective weight loss smoothie. 1. Choose a base. Start with a liquid like water, unsweetened almond milk, or coconut water. 2. Add fruits and vegetables. Combine a variety of fruits and vegetables for flavor, fiber, and nutrients. 2. Aim for at least 1 serving of each. 3. Include protein. Add a source of protein like Greek yogurt, protein powder, or chia seeds to promote satiety and support muscle mass. 4. Incorporate healthy fats. Add a small amount of healthy fats like avocado, nut butter, or coconut oil for flavor, satiety, and nutrient absorption. 5. Blend and enjoy. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. 5. Adjust the amount of liquid as needed to reach your desired consistency. Sample weight loss smoothie recipes. Here are a few delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes to get you started. 1. Green Power Smoothie. 1 cup spinach. 2. 1/2 frozen banana. 3. 1/4 cup frozen berries. 4. 1 scoop vanilla protein powder. 5. 1 tablespoon almond butter. 6. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 2. Tropical Delight Smoothie. 1. 1/2 cup frozen mango. 2. 1/2 cup frozen pineapple. 3. 1/4 cup chopped kale. 4. 1/2 cup coconut water. 5. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 3. Berry Refresher Smoothie. 1 cup mixed berries. 2. 1/2 apple, cored and chopped. 3. 1/4 cup Greek yogurt. 4. 1/4 cup water. 5. 1 teaspoon flax seed. Tips for success. 1. Don't overdo the fruit. While fruits are healthy, they also contain natural sugars. 1. Limit your smoothie to 1-2 servings of fruit. 2. Watch portion sizes. Even healthy ingredients can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. 2. Be mindful of your portion sizes. 3. Choose whole foods. Opt for whole fruits and vegetables over processed juices or concentrates. 4. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger cues and adjust your smoothie intake accordingly. 5. Combine with a balanced diet and exercise. Smoothies are a great addition to a healthy lifestyle, but they're not a magic bullet. 5. Combine them with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal weight loss results. Conclusion. Smoothies can be a valuable tool for weight loss when crafted with the right ingredients. By incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, protein sources, and healthy fats, you can create delicious and nutritious smoothies that promote satiety, boost metabolism, and support your overall health goals. Remember to combine why.